Hello. We're back with yet another some of this, some of that, and a whole lot of those. If you know who I am, you call me Nico. If you don't know who I am, guess what? You can still call me Nico. So I walk up to the car with a whole lot of Christmas lights. Then decided, let me drive around. They probably switch off after a few kilometers. And guess what? They didn't. So this is an expensive sport. Being a static driver is an expensive sport. ABS light, traction control, and tire pressure. So this is the moment of accepting defeat. I'm not about to take this to VW and get quoted 10,000 for silly things. So this is when I discovered, no, the ABS sensor was cut off just from the wheel being too tucked in. Right, let me pull out my tools. I check the car, remove the tire, examine the cable further. So they probably gonna charge me, let's say 3,000 for a diagnostic, another 1,000 or 2 for the cable. They're gonna charge me for the labor. I'm not about to do that. They don't call me Nico's workshop for nothing, See me laughing there, see me enjoying this. Being static is nice, It's nice. No, stance is not a crime. Guys, stance is not a crime. I'm telling you. You should try this, but then just be prepared for whatever is gonna happen to the car. So yeah, I cut off the cable with a razor, got these heat shrinks from the builder's warehouse to put everything back together, clean like OEM. So this way I'm turning on the car just to check if the lights are still on. Guess what? They were off like a geezer. Although I still need to check my tire pressure, but then that's nothing to be worried about. Thanks guys.